Want to learn how to upload videos to EverWebinar and make your webinars run smoothly? You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently upload your video content to EverWebinar and set up your automated webinars like a pro, saving you time and boosting your marketing efforts. But before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try EverWebinar for completely free, and you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses if you sign up using the link in the description below. Stick around to the end, because I'll also be sharing an extended free trial that's available only through our link. So, how exactly do you upload videos to EverWebinar? The first thing you want to do is log into your EverWebinar account. Once you're in, go to your dashboard, where you'll find the Webinars section. This is where all of your webinars live. You'll want to create a new webinar or select an existing one that you want to upload your video to. Next, once you've selected or created your webinar, you'll be taken to the Webinar Settings page. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option for Video Settings. Here, you'll find a section where you can upload your video. EverWebinar supports video uploads in multiple formats, but the most commonly used format is MP4, so make sure your video is ready in that format. The third thing you'll need to do is click the Upload Video button. This is where the magic happens. After clicking it, a dialog box will pop up allowing you to select the video file you want to upload. Choose the file from your computer, and EverWebinar will automatically begin uploading and processing the video for your webinar. Once the video upload is complete, EverWebinar will show you a preview of your video. Make sure to watch it to confirm everything looks perfect. If the video's quality is good and everything plays smoothly, you can move on to the next step. Next thing, now that your video is uploaded, you'll need to choose when to schedule the webinar. You can choose from different scheduling options, such as live or automated, to suit your needs. You can also set up registration forms, reminder emails, and more to customize your webinar experience. The fifth thing is to customize your video playback settings. EverWebinar offers a range of options to adjust how your video plays, such as adding countdown timers, customizing start times, and choosing whether to loop the video or allow attendees to watch it only once. Finally, before you're done, make sure you hit the Save button to finalize everything. Your video is now uploaded to EverWebinar, and your automated webinar is ready to go live at the designated time. If you want to streamline your webinar experience, you can also take advantage of EverWebinar's advanced features, like integrations with email marketing platforms, to follow up with attendees and increase conversions. To recap, uploading videos to EverWebinar is quick and easy. Just log in, select your webinar, upload your video, customize the playback settings, and save. And don't forget, if you want to get started with EverWebinar for free and enjoy an extended free trial, check out the first link below for all the details. Thanks for watching, and happy webinar hosting!